Hello dear students, I am Sahana Prasad from Department of Commerce, Gopal Swami PU College, MYSURU. Welcome to accountancy class. In today's session, let's continue with chapter 4, that is recording of business transaction 2. This is session 2 and today's topic is sales book. So what is sales book? Sales book is a book where we record all the transactions which are related to sales, or we record those transactions where we have sold goods on credit in the format of sales book. It is quite similar to a purchases book. Here we write the date. Here we write the name of the customer, that is we write the particulars. This is outward invoice number. This is ledger folio, and here we write the amount. So this is the format of sales book. Now let us do a problem based on sales book. From the following transaction, prepare the sales book of Naveen Furnitures of the month of January 2019. Date, they have given 2017, January 4th, sold on credit to Raghu Traders, Hubli, 25 chairs of rupees 500 each, 10 tables of rupees 2000 each, trade discount at 10%. So on January 4th, they have sold goods to Raghu Traders, they have sold 25 chairs and 10 tables, and they have also given 10% discount. On January 9th, they have sold goods to Meghna Traders, 2 tables of rupees 1500 each and 4 almirahs of 8000 each. And on January 16th, sold 1 old typewriter to Janata Motors, rupees 2000. This transaction we do not record here in sales book because typewriter is an asset and we record it in journal proper. We only record those transactions which we sold on credit, but we do not record asset. So if we have sold any asset on credit basis, we record it in journal proper. On January 23rd, sold to Mr. Deepak 1 table for rupees 1500 and 4 chairs for rupees 500, each at trade discount of 2%. On January 27th, sold to Arvind Stores 10 chairs at rupees 800 each. So this is the problem and these are the transactions. Now we have to record it in sales book. To write the heading, they have given the details of Naveen Furnitures and we have to write sales book. Here we have to write the date. Here we have to write particulars, that is name of the customer. Here we write outward invoice number. Invoice is the proof of the goods sold, so it is like a receipt, so we write receipt number. If they have given receipt number in the problem, you have to write, otherwise no need to write any number here. Here is the amount column. So now let's start recording each transaction. So in the problem, they have given on 2019 January 4th, sold on credit to Raghu Traders, Hubli, they have sold 25 chairs at rupees 500 each. That comes to 12,500 and 10 tables of rupees 2000 each. It comes to 20,000 and the total is 32,500. So now they are giving 10% trade discount. So now we have to calculate on 32,500 10% discount. So it comes to 3,250. So if we subtract 3,250 from 32,500, it comes to 29,250. So this is the transaction which is related to Raghu Traders. On January 9th, they have goods sold to Meghana Traders, that is 2 tables of 1,500, it comes to 3,000, and 4 almirahs worth rupees 8,000. So it comes to 32,000. So the total of this comes to 35,000. This is the transaction which is related to Meghana Traders. On January 16th, sold 1 old typewriter to Janata Motors rupees 2,000. This transaction we do not write it here because they have sold asset on credit basis. So if we sold asset on credit basis, we record it in journal proper. So this transaction we do not record here. So now let us see the next transaction. Next is on January 23rd, sold to Mr. Deepak 1 table of 1,500. They have sold goods to Mr. Deepak 1 table worth 1,500 and 4 chairs worth rupees 500. It comes to 2,000. So total of this comes to 3,500. And again here they are giving discount. If we calculate on 2%, it comes to 70. So on outer column we have to write 3,430. So this is a transaction which is related to Deepak. On January 27th, sold goods to Arvind Stores 10 chairs at rupees 800 each. So on January 27th, they sold goods to Arvind Stores. So 10 into 800, it comes to 8,000. So now we have recorded all the transactions. Now we have to total this. So the total of sales book comes to 75,680. So this we are preparing in the books of Naveen Furniture. This is the sales book. This is the format, date, particulars, and here we are writing the name of the customers for whom they have sold goods, and this is outward invoice number. This they have not given in the problem, so no need to write anything here. This is the ledger folio and this is the amount column. So here we have recorded all the transactions relating to Naveen Furniture. So this is sales book. Next is sales return book. In sales return book, here business records those transactions where customer return goods to the business, or they record the transactions where the goods are returned by customers. Sales return book is also called as sales return journal or return inward book. ಈಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ, ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ if there are any damages. So these are the reasons why customers return goods to the business. So these transactions we record it in sales return book. Now let us write the format of sales return book. Here we write the date, here we write the particulars, here we write the name of the customer. This we write here is credit note number. Here we write ledger folio and this is the amount column. So this is the format relating to sales return book. Here we write the date, this is particulars where we write the name of the customers whom they have returned goods to the business, and this is credit note number, this is ledger folio and amount. So now let us see what is credit note. Credit note is a document which contains the details of the goods returned by the customers. This is prepared when the goods are returned by the customers or when customer claims any allowance. Sales allowance are claimed by the customers for the overcharge of the goods or short supply of goods. So now let us see the format of credit note. So here in this format you can see credit note, Needs Provision Stores, AB Road, Bangalore. They have prepared a credit note and they are sending it to Mr. Anand. Anand has already returned goods. And now if he has returned goods, now they have to credit Anand's account. So here the Needs Provision Store, that is the businessman, he is preparing credit note and he is sending it to Anand, that is the customer. So here we can see number 153, that is the debit note number, and on the right side you can see the date, and in particular they are writing that we have credited your account for the goods returned due to wrong supply. 2 bags of rice into 2,400 less 10% trade discount, total comes to 4,320, and this is signed by Needs Provision Store. So this is the specimen or the format of credit note. This question is asked in the exam. They will ask you to write the specimen of credit note, and this is an important one from the point of view of your examination. Now let us do a problem based on sales return book. Now look at the problem. Prepares return inward journal or sales return book from the following transactions of MYSURU Bansal Electronics. On November 2019, November 4th, MYSURU Gupta Traders returned goods worth rupees 1,500, and on 10th, goods returned by Harish Traders 800. On 18th, Rahul Traders returned goods worth rupees 1,200, and on 28th, goods returned by Sushil Traders worth rupees 1,000, and on 30th, Madan Traders returned goods worth rupees 1,400. So these are the customers who return goods to MYSURU Bansal Electronics. So now Bansal Electronics, they have to prepare sales return book. So ಯಾವುದು goods ಅವರು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಅವರು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So now let us start with the problem. Let us draw the format. Here we write the date. Here we write the particulars, that is the name of the customer. Here we write credit note number, this is ledger folio, and this is the amount column. So now preparing sales return book in the books of MYSURU Bansal Electronics. Now let's start recording. On 2019 November 4th, goods returned by Gupta Traders. So MYSURU Gupta Traders, they returned goods worth rupees 1,500. And on 10th, goods returned by Harish Traders. On November 10th, Harish Traders returned goods worth rupees 800. On 18th, Rahul Traders returned goods. On 18th, Rahul Traders returned goods worth rupees 1,200. And on 28th, goods returned by Sushil Traders, the amount is 1,000. And on 30th, Madan traders returned goods. So on 30th, Madan traders, they returned goods worth ₹1,400. So these are the transactions in the books of Measures Bansal traders we have recorded in sales return book. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಅವರು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 5,900. So this is sales return book in the books of Measures Bansal Electronics. So in this session I explained sales book and sales return book, and I hope you have understood today's session. Thank you.